What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be discussing NIO, the crazy day that it's had, and just the overall market conditions and what happened on the first day of the new trading month. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for being here. Let's get right into this video. So, just looking at the overall health of the market, it was pretty much a slow bleed off day. It was not too much action. We were green in the morning, we were pushing up, and then, around the first hour, that's when we really started dipping and things started to fall as well. Now, with regards to NIO, it stayed up pretty good. It didn't really start dipping until around lunchtime. So, for this purpose of this video, we're going to go to the 15-minute time frame and look what happened. So, we opened up right here. So, May 3rd, opened up here, shot right up, pushed up. We even hit highs of 41.50, and I was like, wow, NIO's doing great today. It looks amazing. Really going for it. Really good way to start the trading week off. And then, like I said, around that 10:30, 11 o'clock hour, we were dipping, but not too huge. Then, bam, we just slowly just sold off for the rest of the day. Then we had another, aggressive sell-off around 3 o'clock, and then or not, that's 2 o'clock, sorry, and then we just basically pulled over and did nothing. So once we had that last aggressive sell-off, we basically did nothing on NIO, which is frustrating, guys. Trust me, I know. Today was pretty much a boring day. We consolidated and dropped a little bit. That's all we did today. And now with regards to what we were up, we're down from the highs of today, and that's what I'm going to be looking at. But as I've mentioned a lot of times before, and I've been talking about this on my videos, that as long as we stay above this magical 39.39 number, I think NIO is okay. Now, yes, right now we're hovering it. So tomorrow is going to be a big day, guys. Tomorrow is going to be a big day deciding really what direction NIO is going to pick. Now, we're going to look at the NASDAQ, and we're going to talk what could happen here and really compare this to NIO. So if we look at the NASDAQ, I drew these red lines here for a reason. It's because of consolidation. So we have this resistance right here. We have this support right here. And we've just been staying pretty range bound between these two. Now, we still have a little room to drop. So we could drop to this red line right here and still be okay. Now, with regards to NIO, NIO's been kind of acting, half and half. Sometimes it follows the market, sometimes it doesn't. Today, it actually followed the market, but wasn't really down as much, as I thought it would be compared to how much we were down on the market. So we were up on the market this morning, up on NIO, then we sold off for the rest of the day. And it also, guys, didn't help that Tesla was down as well. So Tesla had a good morning. Tesla was up. Tesla was looking good. But then, unfortunately, we had it come back down. Same thing with NIO. So Tesla and NIO have been really following closely to each other. And then we saw that huge bump up on Friday with NIO after the earnings, and then the same bump up on Tesla on Friday. So they're moving very closely together, and that's something you need to note when you're looking at NIO. Also, take a look at what Tesla is doing for the day, because most likely they've been really moving in unison. So with regards to NIO, though, what's my action plan for tomorrow? What am I looking at? What levels am I watching at? Well, as always, this 39.39 level. Now, for us to continue this run up, we need to get past today's highs. So we at least need to get past 41.58. If we get past that tomorrow, then I do think we're setting ourselves up for a green week. Now, of course, there's always the bearish side of things, where potentially if we break 39.39, we may see some more downside that could possibly come. Now, keep in mind, we did that in after hours on NIO's earnings, but keep in mind that was after hours. So slow volume, not too much. And then when we opened up the following day on Friday, we shot right back up, and buyers bought the stock right back up. So that tells me that even though we did drop below this 39.39 support, it was still bought right back up because it was an earnings volatile event. They had a mixed earnings reaction. It was pretty good. Some pretty bad things they missed on deliveries, but not about that much. And the market, perceived it as a good earnings, so that's why it shot up. Now with today, sold off from that shut up. Now that could be viewed as just a little pullback or relief, since it did shoot up so much from that damage that happened in after hours on Thursday. So that could be a possibility as well, guys, that we did see just a little pullback day, and that will set us up to be green for the rest of the week. So that's something I'm going to look out for, guys. But ultimately, what I don't want to get below in close bluff as this support level. If we hold above that, I do think we're setting ourselves up for a green week. And with regards to more, what I'm looking at is for us to get above today's highs, which was at 41.50. We get above that, I think we sell and we keep going up and even test this 44.67 area. So I do think we're going to have a green week this week as long as we do stay above the support. But overall, guys, I'm confident in NIO. Overall market, we're still in the consolidation period, so we still have room to fall down. So I'm watching that closely. But other than that, guys, overall, NIO looking strong, and I'll see you guys in the next video.